So guys, izolo ngenze i-video after ngithola i-call yokuthi umntanami after ngithola i-call yokuthi umntanami ushayiswe imoto abuya ekhaya center bamphuthumisela esibhedlela. So I made a video ngicela ukuthi ningincede nge-R30 ukuthi ngigibele ngikwazi ukuyapaka ngiyomcheck-a. So abanye abantu bathi vele this is what I always do. Ngihlezi ngifuna imali kubantu, but I didn't ask for much. Ngicela nje i-R30 ukuthi ngigibele because ukuyapara it's only 22 rand from la ngikhona. And guys, ngibuya khona I managed to go ne mangifika bangitshela ukuthi ngihlale ngilinde. Ngalinda manje ngihambe ngacabanga ngathatha nganejezi. I just went there ngarasha ngaya khona. Mangifika bangitshela ukuthi umntana uphuke isandla but it's not bad and yena stable, but again ushayeke ngekhanda but nakhona stable, it's nothing bad. So use ICU as we speak, akakaphaphami. So khane ngibuya manje endlini ngizogeza and change, like I have to go back ngiyobheka ukuthi umntana uvukile noma akavukanga. Anginayo imali yokugibela, igranti yomntana ithenge ukudla, anginayo imali. Igranti yomntana it's not enough ukuthi ngaba nemali nje espare ehlele eceleni. So guys, ngiyanicela, angicela okuningi, I'm just asking for i-R30 yokuthi ngiye la ngiyobheka ngama-visiting hours ukuthi uzobe avukile noma uzobe angavukanga. That's all I need to know, because noma angashona angenzeka ukuthi ashone. Like angazi ukuthi ngizamngcwaba ngani njengoba nginganani next year nje. And bese khona abantu abacabanga ukuthi this whole thing i-joke. Like how can I joke about something like this? Ngijoke kanjani ngento kanje?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. So nangisesi uyakhala uthi ucela abantu ukuthi bamphosele kancane because of nakubona umntwana yakhe lusesibhedlela. So simvele nje nasixoxa story sakhe, ngeke ngisaphinde ngisicoce ngoba ngidoze ngisimoshe. So abantu abaningi they were sending my messages kuye lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana basho ukuthi yaze yababuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga indzaba la ikhulumako. Some were even saying ukuthi they feel sorry for her. Labanye they were asking for her banking details ukuthi bakhone ukuthi bamphosele kancane khona esibhedlela yobona umntwana wakhe. But some were saying ukuthi iphi imali yegrant njengoba semvile aqhazile ukuthi imali yegrant already bese kathenge igross. Our comments down on the comment section usho ukuthi ucabangani ngale video leqedwa kwendiwa ngilosisi. Mina nawe sidobona nakule video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.